Sunny Hostin, has been named in a federal lawsuit alleging insurance fraud. She got on television. She got in. She run these women. Tell me why her husband is named in a lawsuit in insurance fraud. And I'm gonna show you exhibit. Let me say exhibit B. Can you show this to the jury? Roll it, Nick.
You know, doctors suffer because of big corporations as well. Doctors that want to do good, like my husband, operates on someone even though they don't have insurance.
Dr. Emmanuel Manny Hostin, an orthopedic surgeon and husband of The View co-host Sunny Hostin, is accused in December lawsuit fraudulently billing insurance. By the way, this is a Daily Caller story I'm reading. The lawsuit alleges Hostin knowingly provided fraudulent medical and other healthcare services in exchange for kickbacks and or compensation, and names him among nearly 200 defendants in one of New York's largest RICO cases. Wow.
Yes, The View's own legal expert is now connected to what's being called the largest racketeering case ever filed in the state. Hostin isn't just one of a few names. She's part of a massive web of nearly 200 defendants accused of orchestrating a fraudulent medical billing empire. We're talking about fake surgeries, inflated claims, and shady kickbacks.
For years lecturing America about morality, inequality, systemic failures, and look at her track record. How many times does she have to go on in the past 2 months and look at the camera and do a legal apology for all the stuff that she said on the show? And then she also, on Trump's win, calling the loss because of uneducated white women that Trump won.
We have to know that.
Yes, The View's own legal expert is now connected to what's being called the largest racketeering case ever filed in the state. Hostin isn't just one of a few names. She's part of a massive web of nearly 200 defendants accused of orchestrating a fraudulent medical billing empire. We're talking about fake surgeries, inflated claims, and shady kickbacks.
And they're talking about threatening him with insurance fraud. I would say you could get about 20 years in prison, so that's a death sentence for him.
According to the lawsuit, Dr. Hostin allegedly performed unnecessary surgeries on patients and then billed insurance companies that were never supposed to pay for them. We're talking about surgeries on taxi drivers, Uber drivers, and Lyft drivers, people who often have limited insurance coverage, making them easy targets for shady medical schemes. The insurance company named in the lawsuit, American were wildly over the top.
Sunny Hostin, her husband accused of committing federal insurance fraud in a lawsuit. Okay, now let's read this. Rob, is this a video?
Well, I have this. I'll show you this.
In return, he allegedly received kickbacks, essentially under-the-table payments disguised as things like dividends and bonuses. If true, this isn't just fraud. It's organized, strategic, and ruthless. The case has now been labeled under RICO law, the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act. That's a statute usually reserved for mob bosses, drug cartels, and massive criminal enterprises.
According to a new lawsuit obtained by Page Six, the orthopedic surgeon was one of 200 defendants named in one of the biggest racketeer influenced and corrupt organization cases ever filed in New York.
And now Sunny Hostin's husband is caught right in the middle of it. Imagine sitting at The View one day, defending legal principles or a hidden bank account.
Emmanuel was accused of federal insurance fraud and, quote, getting kickbacks by performing surgery and billing a company that insured taxi companies and Uber and Lyft drivers. According to the documents, he knowingly provided fraudulent medical and other healthcare services, including arthroscopic surgeries.
Her husband is being accused of running a criminal scheme that pulled in hundreds of millions of dollars. That's we've seen in years.
The insurance firm American Transit was then billed in exchange for kickbacks and other compensation, which were disguised as dividends or other cash distributions.
And suddenly, she's silent. Things she preached every single day.
I want you guys to see of Sunny Hostin on The View, Tom, basically implicating her husband in this type of a scheme. Play the clip, Rob.
Now, let's talk about what happened on The View. Who built her entire image on legal expertise, is now at the center of a legal firestorm thanks to her husband's alleged crimes. This isn't just bad press. It's a full-blown PR nightmare. ABC has spent years marketing The View as a show that champions social justice, accountability, and moral values, and now that image is under serious strain.
I mean, I agree with mostly everything that's been said. I mean, we know that, only about 31% of Americans trust our healthcare system. We have a terrible healthcare system. And, doctors suffer because of big corporations as well. Doctors that want to do good, like my husband, operates on someone even though they don't have insurance and then has to sue health insurance companies to get paid for the work that he's been trained his whole life to do.
hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you on the next one.